What is up, guys? In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to import your Gemini transactions into Awaken, the crypto tax platform that makes filing easy, accurate, and fast. So Awaken is free to get started, and it already helps track over $3 billion in crypto across more than 500,000 wallets and exchanges. So whether you are buying or selling, earning interest, or sending crypto between wallets, Awaken has your Gemini activity fully covered. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and someone from our team will get back to you. First, log into your account at awaken.tax. If you're new, it takes less than a minute to sign up. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Accounts tab on the left-hand side. This is where you can manage all of your wallets and the different exchanges that you use. To add Gemini, just click Add Account in the top right, search for Gemini, and click Connect. To sync your data from Gemini, you need to create an API key. Gemini does offer CSV exports, but they often leave out key details like internal transfers and staking rewards, so the API method is the most accurate and reliable way to get your full transaction history into Awaken. Here's how to set that up. So go to exchange.gemini.com and log into your account. Click your profile icon on the top right, and then go to Account Settings and find the API section. Then tap Create API Key, and Gemini might ask you for a 2FA code. When the API setup window appears, choose your account scope, typically primary, and then select the auditor role. So that gives Awaken read-only access to your balances, deposit, and withdraw history, orders, and trades without any ability to place trades or move funds. So after you click Create, Gemini will show you your new API and private key. Be sure to copy both immediately because this is the only time you'll be able to see the secret. Once you have those, head back to Awaken, paste them into the Gemini connection form, and click Connect. Awaken will start importing your full Gemini transaction history, which is like your buys and your sells, deposit, withdrawals, earned interest, and more. Everything gets automatically organized and synced to your tax profile. Once your transactions are synced, you'll be able to review everything directly in your Awaken dashboard. We'll highlight any potential issues like missing cost basis or unmatched transfers so that you can review and fix them before generating your final report. So when you're ready, head over to the tax report section, choose your tax year, click Generate Report, and you'll get a full audit-ready summary that you can use with TurboTax, your accountant, or whatever tax software that you prefer. And that's it. Awaken makes it fast and easy and accurate to handle your Gemini taxes, even if your transaction history spans multiple wallets and years. If you get stuck or you need help with anything, just visit awaken.tax/support and our team will be happy to help you. So thanks for watching and good luck this tax season.